Hi, I'm Dan with Campers and RV. Today we're going to talk about how to de-winterize your RV. To de-winterize our RV's water system, we're going to go ahead and hook a water hose up to it, and we're going to flush out all the antifreeze that was in there over the winter. And after we're done flushing out the antifreeze, we're going to go ahead and sanitize our water system. To sanitize our RV's water system, we're going to go ahead and add a small amount of bleach into the fresh tank and run the water system until we can smell bleach in the water lines. And we're going to let that sit in the water lines for 2 to 10 hours. And then we're going to go ahead and flush out the bleach from the water lines. It's important to de-winterize your RV's water system to make sure you have clean drinking water in the system and that it is thoroughly sanitized for use. Some of the consequences for not de-winterizing your RV's water system: one is for yourself, to make sure the antifreeze is clean from the system and you're not drinking it or ruining your clothes with antifreeze water. Secondly, we're going to ensure that we have no leaks in the system after we de-winterize it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you clarity on how to de-winterize your RV. At Campers and RV, we pride ourselves in being the RVer's trusted resource. We also have a website and blog full of information for you to research and make the most of your RV lifestyle. I encourage you to check it out at this link below. Thank you for watching and choosing Campers and RV.